Today I'm going to show you how my house went from this to this. But before any paint went up, we had to prep the right way. I taped off the soffits and the trim because once the paint hits the stucco, there's no turning back. And since it's stucco, I started with Behr Exterior Stucco Primer. After we primed, we used Masonry exterior paint made for stucco. And the color choice is Behr's Swiss Coffee. And it's nice to finally watch the green disappear. This project took 2 full weekends to complete, and by the second weekend I could finally see it all pay off. This paint project really changed the house, and I love it. If you've been thinking about painting your house, here's your sign. If I can do it, you can do it. Here's one last look at the before and after. Thanks for watching. More projects coming soon.